Back again with a little leg work, more of a pretzel tutorial today. For my Patreon supporters, you're gonna have a footwork combination as well. Welcome back again, ladies and gentlemen, AJ47, Primal Instincts crew and Soul Mavericks crew, and Happy New Year to each and every one of you. I want to give a special shout out to my Patreon supporters or anyone for that matter that supported the channel in some way, shape or form over the last, since I've been doing the channel. Every time I post to my YouTube channel, I'll be posting an extended version containing some more steps and more combinations or whatever the topic is on my Patreon page. All right, guys, to start off this first pretzel combination, I'm going to start at the back. It starts off pretty standard from your pretzel system. You'll go 1, 2, turn all the way over, 3, 4. Okay, so one more time. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoops, 4. And then we're going to change to the other side. Back down, inside pretzel with the right leg, 5, 6. And then it returns, 7, 8. 7, kick again, 8. So now we're going to change sides and repeat. 1, 2, all the way around, kick back to here, 3, 4, change leg, 5, 6, return, 7, 8. And then we'll switch again to the other side. So now I'm going to turn my back to you guys and show you from this side, just in case it's something you're not seeing. I'll start on the with my right leg first. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, return, 7, kick to change sides, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Thank you very much for watching, ladies and gentlemen. I do hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you are new, subscribe to the channel, like the video if you like it, share it with a friend who you think it might benefit. We'll catch you on the next one. Happy New Year. Peace.